I have dyed, permed and ray-bonded my hair at least 5 times. This left my hair very chemically damaged, frizzy, and dry. I also had numerous split ends from improper hair care and not trimming my hair regularly. Furthermore, my hair is so dry that my scalp tended to accumulate sebum, whereas my ends remained frizzy and lifeless. Most of the time, my hair was flat and had little shape or volume. My hair is definitely a far cry from healthy, which makes me excited but apprehensive to try out the rice water beauty remedy. I've tried various at-home hair treatments including using yogurt and olive oil, but the effects did not last long. I did the rice water hair rinse twice a week for 5 months and it worked for me. Does it really work? After my first hair rinse, I could feel that my hair was visibly smoother and had more volume. I was also pleased that my roots did not get oily the next day as they would normally have at the end of the following day. Also, my split ends looked less messy or out of control. So I was rather satisfied with the first rinse. I was pleased to see that my hair was a lot softer and smoother than usual. Also, my hair had some natural texture which gave it more life and bounce. Even my friends noticed a difference in my hair. My hair felt a lot healthier while my scalp did not get oily after a long day. Also, my hair was a lot shinier. On the other hand, while my split ends still remained, I find that they were a lot more manageable and less noticeable. It seems as though a cut is the only solution for split ends. As far as growth is concerned, I can't say that there was any huge difference in my hair length because of the rice water treatment. After all, it's only been a little more than a week of trial. Overall, the experience has proven to me that the rice water hair rinse is indeed a hair hack. But it must be done regularly to maintain hair shine and promote hair growth. Then again, I suppose commitment is the only way any treatment can truly reap any visible and long-lasting benefits. How to make fermented rice water for hair. Take 1 cup of rice and rinse it well, until all the dust particles come off. Boil this rice with an equal amount of water. Once the rice is cooked well, and the water turns into a thick milky consistency, take it out in a separate bowl. Now start the fermentation process. Transfer the water into a pot, close the lid and leave the water in room temperature for a day or 2 until it turns sour. When you notice a sour smell emanating from the jar, stop the fermentation and shift the jar to the fridge. How to use fermented rice water for hair. Add a cup or 2 of warm water before you use the fermented rice water, as it is highly potent and direct use is not recommended. After shampooing, pour the rice water with a cup or 2 of warm water on your hair. Gently massage your scalp and hair and leave it on for 4 to 5 minutes, or for 20 minutes if you have time. Then rinse your hair thoroughly with plain water.